Each year, the Duke Law Alumni Association honors alumni who have distinguished themselves through extraordinary service to the legal profession, their communities, and Duke Law School. This year, we have recognized 5 such outstanding alumni. Robert E Harrington, class of 1987, received the Charles S. Murphy Award for Service in recognition of his leadership in providing pro bono legal aid to victims of Hurricane Katrina and his dedication to ensuring equal opportunity and civil rights. Michael J. Sorrell, class of 1994, received the A. Kenneth Pye Award for Excellence in Education in recognition of his visionary leadership of Paul Quinn College, where as president, he has instilled new traditions of academic rigor, excellence in student services, and institutional accountability. Bruce L. Rogers, class of 1987, received the Charles S. Rhine Award for Professional Achievement for his accomplishments in the fields of private equity and corporate law, as well as his leadership of Push America, a nonprofit organization that supports people with disabilities. Suzanne I Haas, classes of 1985 and 1987, received the International Alumni Award in recognition of her dedication to Duke Law School, where she has served on the Board of Visitors, as a winter session faculty member, and on her reunion committee. Amy Y. Yeung, class of 2006, received the Yeung Alumni Award for her accomplishments as a young lawyer and leader in the Washington, D.C. legal community, and as the inaugural chair of the Duke Law Alumni Association's New Lawyers Division. Please join me in congratulating these wonderful alumni of Duke Law School.